We will continue and call Finland. Finland, are you receiving us? May we have your votes?
Good evening, Harrogate. Helsinki calling. Here are the results of the Finnish jury. Turkey, 1 point.
Turkey, 1 point. Turquie, 1 point.
Portugal, 2 points.
Portugal, 2 points. Portugal, 2 points.
Sweden, 3 points.
Sweden, 3 points. Suède, 3 points.
United Kingdom, 4 points.
United Kingdom, 4 points. Royaume-Uni, 4 points.
Belgium, 5 points.
Belgium, 5 points. Belgique, 5 points.
Spain, 6 points.
Spain, 6 points. Espagne, 6 points.
Luxembourg, 7 points.
Luxembourg, 7 points. Luxembourg, 7 points.
Cyprus, 8 points.
Cyprus, 8 points. Chypre, 8 points.
Germany, 10 points.
Germany, 10 points. Allemagne, 10 points.
And Israel, 12 points.
And Israel, 12 points. Israel, 12 points.
And that completes the results of the Finnish
Toujours
jury.
pas de changement, c'est toujours l'Allemagne
Good
qui
night
est en
and thank you
tête.
very much. Now we call Switzerland. Bonsoir, Suisse. Veuillez donner vos points, s'il vous plaît.
Bonsoir, Harrogate, ici Berne. Voici les résultats du jury suisse. Portugal, 1 point.
Portugal, 1 point. Portugal, 1 point.
Belgique, 2 points.
Belgique, 2 points. Belgium, 2 points.
Turquie, 3 points.
Turquie, 3 points. Turkey, 3 points.
Suède, 4 points.
Suède, 4 points. Sweden, 4 points.
Royaume-Uni, 5 points.
Royaume-Uni, 5 points. United Kingdom, 5 points.
Irlande, 6 points.
Irlande, 6 points. Ireland, 6 points.
Espagne, 7 points.
Espagne, 7 points. Spain, 7 points.
Chypre, 8 points.
Chypre, 8 points. Cyprus, 8 points.
Israël, 10 points.
Israel, 10 points. Israel, 10 points.
Et Allemagne, 12 points.
Allemagne, 12
Et le circuit
points.
gagnant, toujours
Germany,
après ce
10
vote,
points.
l'Allemagne en tête,
Et ceci termine le
ensuite
vote de
Israël en
jury
deuxième
suisse. Bonsoir,
position
Harrogate.
et en troisième
Bonsoir et
position
merci
Chypre.
bien. We now move on to Cyprus. Good evening, Cyprus. May we have your votes, please?
Hello, Harrogate. This is Nicosia calling. Here are the results of the Cyprus jury. Yugoslavia, 1 point.
Yugoslavia, 1 point. Yugoslavie, 1 point.
Israel, 2 points.
Israel, 2 points. Israel, 2 points. I beg your pardon. Israel, 2 points.
United Kingdom, 3 points.
United Kingdom, 3 points. Royaume-Uni, 3 points.
Norway, 4 points.
Norway, 4 points. Norvège, 4 points.
Ireland, 5 points.
Ireland, 5 points. Irlande, 5 points.
Switzerland, 6 points.
Switzerland, 6 points. Suisse, 6 points.
Austria, 7 points.
Austria, 7 points. Autriche, 7 points.
Belgium, 8 points.
Belgium, 8 points. Belgique, 8 points.
Spain, 10 points.
Spain, 10 points. Espagne, 10 points.
And Germany, 12 points.
And Germany, 12 points. Allemagne, 12 points.
And that completes the points for the
L'Allemagne
Cyprus jury.
toujours en
Good night,
tête, deuxième
Good night.
place
Thank you
à
very
Israël
much
pour
indeed.
l'instant et troisième
Well,
place
there's no doubt about who's in the lead
au
at the
Royaume-Uni.
moment. It's certainly Germany. How's
Suivi de
everybody
très
else
près
doing?
par la Belgique.
Israel at 46, I think, is second, and I think the United Kingdom is third. Right, let us continue and call up Sweden. Good evening, Sweden. Please, may we have your votes?
Hello, lovely Jen. Good evening, Harrogate. Stockholm calling. Here are the results of the Swedish jury. Denmark, 1 point.
Denmark, 1 point. Danemark, 1 point.
Switzerland, 2 points.
Switzerland, 2 points. Suisse, 2 points.
Netherlands, 3 points.
Netherlands. Netherlands, 3 points. Pays-Bas, 3 points.
Norway, 4 points.
Norway, 4 points. Norvège, 4 points.
Ireland, 5 points.
Ireland, 5 points. Irlande, 5 points.
Portugal, 6 points.
Portugal, 6 points. Portugal, 6 points.
Belgium, 7 points.
Belgium, 7 points. Belgique, 7 points.
Germany, 8 points.
Germany, 8 points. Allemagne, 8 points.
Israel, 10 points.
Israel, 10 points. Israël, 10 points.
And finally, Yugoslavia, 12 points.
And finally, Yugoslavia, 12 points. Yugoslavie, 12 points.
And that, dear Jan, completes the points of the Swedish jury. Good night to you
12
all.
points à la
Thank you
Yougoslavie,
very
mais
much
l'Allemagne
indeed.
est
Good
toujours en tête et de loin. L'Allemagne
Germany
qui,
still
je vous le
in the
rappelle,
lead
n'a
with
encore,
84. Now
n'a
let's
encore
call up Austria.
jamais gagné le Grand Prix Eurovision de la
Good luck,
chanson
Austria. May we
depuis
have your votes?
sa création.
Hello, Harrogate. This is Vienna calling. Here are the results of the Austrian jury. Germany, 1 point.
Germany, 1 point. Allemagne, 1 point.
Luxembourg, 2 points.
Luxembourg, 2 points. Luxembourg, 2 points.
Turkey, 3 points.
Turkey, 3 points. Turkey, 3 points.
Belgium, 4 points.
Belgium, 4 points. Belgique, 4 points.
Cyprus, 5 points.
Cyprus, 5 points. Chypre, 5 points.
Norway, 6 points.
Norway, 6 points. Norvège, 6 points.
Israel, 7 points.
Israel, 7 points. Israël, 7 points.
Sweden, 8 points.
Sweden, 8 points. Suède, 8 points.
Switzerland, 10 points.
Switzerland, 10 points. Suisse, 10 points.
United Kingdom, 12 points.
United Kingdom, 12 points. Royaume-Uni, 12 points.
And that completes the
Voilà
points
qui
of the
change
Austrian
quelque
jury.
peu les
Good night,
choses.
Harrogate.
Toujours l'Allemagne en tête, bien sûr. En deuxième position, Israël. Mais en troisième position, le Royaume-Uni qui vient de dépasser la Belgique.
Bonsoir Harrogate, ici Bruxelles. Voici les résultats du jury belge. Yougoslavie, 1 point.
Yougoslavie, 1 point. Yugoslavia, 1 point.
Norvège, 2 points.
Norvège, 2 points. Norway, 2 points.
Chypre, 3 points.
Chypre, 3 points. Cyprus, 3 points.
Espagne, 4 points.
Espagne, 4 points. Spain, 4 points.
La Suède, 5 points.
La Suède, 5 points. Sweden, 5 points.
Autriche, 6 points.
Autriche, 6 points. Austria, 6 points.
Israël, 7 points.
Israël, 7 points. Israel, 7 points.
Luxembourg, 8 points.
Luxembourg, 8 points. Luxembourg, 8 points.
L'Allemagne, 10 points.
L'Allemagne, 10 points. Germany, 10 points.
Et la Suisse, 12 points.
Suisse, 12 points. Switzerland, 12 points.
Ceci termine le vote du jury belge. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir, Belge, et merci bien. Germany still in the lead with 95.
Et oui, l'Allemagne mène toujours. Je crois qu'elle est bien partie pour un triomphe en cette année 1982. Mais qui sait, tout n'est pas encore fait. Tous les votes n'ont pas encore été donnés.
Hello, Harrogate. Madrid calling. Here are the results of the Spanish jury. United Kingdom, 1 point.
United Kingdom, 1 point. Royaume-Uni, 1 point.
Norway, 2 points.
Norway, 2 points. Norvège, 2 points.
Ireland, 3 points.
Ireland, 3 points. Irlande, 3 points.
Sweden, 4 points.
Sweden, 4 points. Suède, 4 points.
Luxembourg, 5 points.
Luxembourg, 5 points. Luxembourg, 5 points.
Israel, 6 points.
Israel, 6 points. Israel, 6 points.
Cyprus, 7 points.
Cyprus, 7 points. Chypre, 7 points.
Austria, 8 points.
Austria, 8 points. Autriche, 8 points.
Belgium, 10 points.
Belgium, 10 points. Belgique, 12 points. 10 points.
Germany, 12 points.
Germany,
La Belgique a dépassé à nouveau le Royaume-Uni et se trouve en 3e position après Israël, 76 points, et l'Allemagne, 107.
Buenas noches, thank you very much indeed, Spain. Now Denmark. Denmark, good evening. May we have your votes?
Hello, Harrogate. Here is Copenhagen, and here are the results of the Danish jury. Israel, 1 point.
Israel, 1 point. Israel, 1 point.
United Kingdom, 2 points.
United Kingdom, 2 points. Royaume-Uni, 2 points.
Yugoslavia, 3 points.
Yugoslavia, 3 points. Yugoslavie, 3 points.
Luxembourg, 4 points.
Luxembourg, 4 points. Luxembourg, 4 points.
Ireland, 5 points.
Ireland, 5 points. Irlande, 5 points.
Austria, 6 points.
Austria, 6 points. Autriche, 6 points.
Switzerland, 7 points.
Switzerland, 7 points. Suisse, 7 points.
Sweden, 8 points.
Sweden, 8 points. Suède, 8 points.
Belgium, 10 points.
Belgium, 10 points. Belgique, 10 points.
And Germany, 12 points.
And Germany, 12 points. Allemagne, 12 points.
And that completes the points of the Danish jury in Copenhagen. Thank you, Jan, and good night, Harrogate.
Thank you very much indeed. Good night.
Allemagne, Israël et Belgique, c'est toujours le même tiré. Je vous signale au passage que le Grand-Duché de Luxembourg occupe la 8e position.
Hello, Harrogate. Good evening, Ljubljana calling. Here are the results of the Yugoslav jury. Spain, 1 point.
Spain, 1 point. Espagne, 1 point.
Sweden, 2 points.
Sweden, 2 points. Suède, 2 points.
Israel, 3 points.
Israel, 3 points. Israël, 3 points.
Austria, 4 points.
Austria, 4 points. Autriche, 4 points.
Cyprus, 5 points.
Cyprus, 5 points. Chypre, 5 points.
United Kingdom, 6 points.
United Kingdom, 6 points. Royaume-Uni, 6 points.
Belgium, 7 points.
Belgium, 7 points. Belgique, 7 points.
Ireland, 8 points.
Ireland, 8 points. Irlande, 8 points.
Switzerland, 10 points.
Switzerland, 10 points. Suisse, 10 points.
Germany, 12 points.
Germany, 12 points.
And that completes the points of the Yugoslav jury.
Il reste encore 4 jurys à entendre, mais je crois que la victoire sera difficile à enlever à l'Allemagne. En effet, 131 points, c'est un score maximum.
Hello, Jean. Hello, Harrogate. Jerusalem calling. Here are the results of the Israeli jury. Portugal, 1 point.
Portugal, 1 point. Portugal, 1 point.
United Kingdom, 2 points.
United Kingdom, 2 points. Royaume-Uni, 2 points.
Ireland, 3 points.
Ireland, 3 points. Irlande, 3 points.
Austria, 4 points.
Austria, 4 points. Autriche, 4 points.
Luxembourg, 5 points.
Luxembourg, 5 points. Luxembourg, 5 points.
Belgium, 6 points.
Belgium, 6 points. Belgique, 6 points.
Cyprus, 7 points.
Cyprus, 7 points. Chypre, 7 points.
Spain, 8 points.
Spain, 8 points. Espagne, 8 points.
Switzerland, 10 points.
Switzerland, 10 points. Suisse, 10 points.
And Germany, 12 points.
12 points encore pour l'Allemagne. Et oui, c'est une victoire accordée pratiquement à l'unanimité et je crois qu'on ne pourra plus la lui ravir maintenant. En effet, il ne reste que
Good night and thank you, Israel.
peu de
Well, there's
jurys à
no doubt
entendre.
about who is in the lead. It's Germany. Let's go to the Netherlands now. Netherlands, good
Harrogate.
evening. Could we have your votes, please?
Hello, Harrogate. Hilversum calling. Here are the results of the Dutch jury. United Kingdom, 1 point.
United Kingdom, 1 point. Royaume-Uni, 1 point.
Turkey, 2 points.
Turkey, 2 points. Turkey, 2 points.
Belgium, 3 points.
Belgium, 3 points. Belgique, 3 points.
Portugal, 4 points.
Portugal, 4 points. Portugal, 4 points.
Sweden, 5 points.
Sweden, 5 points. Suède, 5 points.
Germany, 6 points.
Germany, 6 points. Allemagne, 6 points.
Luxembourg, 7 points.
Luxembourg, 7 points. Luxembourg, 7 points.
Israel, 8 points.
Israel, 8 points. Israël, 8 points.
Switzerland, 10 points.
Switzerland, 10 points. Suisse, 10 points.
And Cyprus, 12 points.